Welcome to Sean, Stretford's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2018 Benz Test. This Benz is powered by all-wheel drive 4.2-liter engine, automatic transmission and has 12,000 miles. Ignite your passion for driving with this remarkable used Benz Test from Sean. With its high level of comfort and available features, this Test will not disappoint. From sporty coupes to spacious family vehicles, we have the perfect ride for every lifestyle. Explore our exceptional inventory and discover the joy of owning a comfortable and reliable car. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.